Hi YouTubers, it's Evan X Rouse. We food soda and big ass here. So talking right now basically burping and soda. So soda and carbonated beverages, soda, beer, anything with carbonation, seltzer water can make you burp. Yes, it's unpleasant, but it's part of life. So yes, you should try to suppress it because in public it's not considered polite. But any kind of carbonated beverage will make you burp, including soda. So carbonation makes air in your stomach and that basically makes you burp. Big ass cigar for life. Bye.